Hey guys, what's up? It's me today. And how about a little cheer from the crowd? Thank you very much. Come on, cut it out. Come on. Thank you very much. Okay. Settle down, guys. Oh, come on, cut it out. Come on. Stop it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey now, Chad, over there. When you're in a water park and you see a baby, you accidentally bump into it, starts crying and screaming. Your mom pulls out a gun. Wait, no, not your mom. The baby's mom pulls out a gun. What would you do? Wait, what was that? Damn! You dab? Really? Really? Wait, what was that? Oh my gosh. Guess what Chad said? Your mom is so small. She hang glides on a Dorito. She hang glides on a Dorito. Wow. Really, Chad? Really? What would you do? What's happening? What's happening? Okay, time for school bell. The school bell. Okay, bye. Wait, did I? Um. Okay. Who's here? What the heck? Neighbors, really? Wow. Now, how was that?
We are not going.
What? How was that? How was that? How was my show? How was my show? How was my show? Are you guys even gonna answer? Are you really gonna answer? Really? Really? Now, what are you gonna say?
You suck.
Really? Now what? Now what are you gonna say? Really? Now what are you gonna say about that boo? It's all wrong. Now how did you guys think about my video? Was it cool? Or not? Okay. Okay. Really? That's what you thought about it? Thanks. Wow. Come on, cut it out. Come on, knock it off. Okay, I guess I deserve it. And how are those sound effects, huh? Bring it up, bring it up. Come on, bring it up. Okay. Okay, now cool it down. Cool it down. Cool it down. No. Okay. Bye. Bye, guys.